In this video, I'm going to introduce you to Glean. Glean is an enterprise-ready search and knowledge discovery solution that's tailor-made for the enterprise workplace. Enterprise search and knowledge discovery are really critical to the success of any business out there. With the advent of generative AI, it has become more important for the organization to enable AI-based search from their own data sources such as maybe Slack, Microsoft Teams, Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, Atlassian's Jira, Confluence, Salesforce, or Workday, and many others. This is where Glean shines. Glean is already being used by a lot of big companies like Databricks, Okta, and various others to solve their internal search and knowledge discovery needs. One of the good things about Glean is that now you can integrate this Glean with Amazon Bedrock, and Amazon Bedrock is simply an API interface for a lot of large language models. Now, if you go to AWS Marketplace, then you will see that this is the marketplace solution which you can readily deploy with the help of your AWS cloud by using Glean. It is simply a cloud formation template. So you download this CloudFormation template from this AWS Marketplace, and then this template will set up the Bootstrap environment in your AWS account that allows Glean Central, which is a component of Glean, to have very limited access to your AWS account. But nonetheless, this Glean Central is quite powerful. What it does is that it is a service orchestrating the deployment of the Glean instance in each of your AWS accounts. So you just deploy Glean Central in one account, and then it you can deploy your Glean instances in all of the accounts you want to manage. Now, if you look at this architectural diagram, this is quite interesting. So what happens is that this Glean delivers enterprise search through vector embeddings and the knowledge graph stores in each search index in the Amazon RDS database. Crawlers and connectors enable Glean to connect to a diverse set of data sources which I mentioned earlier. And then once you add this data source to Glean, the crawlers and connectors pull the data and store it in RDS and S3 buckets that are launched in your own account so your data remains secure. Not only it remains encrypted in transit and also at rest. Once you have that data, it gets converted into vector embeddings by models trained on SageMaker, and also you can use Apache Flink data processing pipelines. Once you send your search query to Glean, the query engine breaks down the query and searches the search index. Once receiving the search results, the query engine ranks and returns the search result. And when you query Glean Chat, the query engine further sends the search results along with the query to the LLM on AWS Bedrock. Now, this is the screenshot of Glean's knowledge graph. Glean's knowledge graph understands all the contents, people, and activity in your organization. This diagram, which is from an AWS blog post, and I'll drop the link in video's description to that blog post, shows an example of Glean's knowledge graph personalized for a user in order to deliver maximum relevancy. Through the personalized knowledge graph, every search result can be naturally tuned for relevancy. Then you have another thing which is called as Glean Chat. It is a Glean enterprise-ready Gen AI solution. It is primarily a RAG or retrieval augmented generation chatbot that integrates Glean's core search functions with LLMs on AWS Bedrock. RAG reduces the risk of hallucination and ensures answers generated by AI are updated and grounded in your own company's data. You can then generate actionable insights, new content, and precise answers for everyday work without concern for legitimacy and accuracy of the results. As I said, I will drop the link to it in video's description so that you can um, deploy it as you like. One thing that beware of the cost because there are a lot of stuff which is being deployed as you can see in this architectural diagram. It is deploying an EKS cluster which is hosting your Glean, and then it is deploying WAF, NAT gateways, internet gateways, RDSs, SageMaker, S3, CloudWatch, CodeBuild, Bedrock, and Lambdas, and of course, View. auxiliary services. So seems like quite an expensive solution. So make sure that you do your cost and analysis before you deploy this. But benefits are quite nice. So if you have a enterprise requirement of having your search enterprise search through Amazon Bedrock, then maybe have a look at it to easily deploy this and then use it. Of course, you don't have to deploy it singularly because that is where that AWS Cloud Formation template provided by Glean from that marketplace helps a lot. That's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or if you are struggling to deploy it, let me know and I'll try to help you out. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.